We are making cheeseburgers that are wrapped and fried.
It's cheeseburger spring rolls. Let's get started. So here we have some ground beef that you have already cooked, and it's got some garlic and it's got minced onion in it, correct?
Right, as well as salt and pepper.
And to that,
I'm just gonna add a little bit of mustard.
now this is just yellow mustard. I'm sure that if you wanted to, you could get fancy and use brown mustard or any of the other mustards, and then the item that I consider to be the 6th food group, ketchup.
So you're just gonna mix this together.
Can we talk a little bit about where we know these from and how we are familiar that there is such a thing as a cheeseburger spring roll?
Sure. So we discovered these at Disney. So if you're feeling like you want something that's both versatile but yet has some nostalgia for you, let's talk about these.
This is probably my favorite snack to get at the Magic Kingdom. All right, so I think we've got it very well combined in here.
And I'm going to wrap these guys. So these are simple egg roll wrappers. I'm just going to take 2 tablespoons of our filling, a couple of tablespoons of filling, and then a tablespoon of cheese. I'm just going to wrap it like that. And then just wrap it on over. That's all there is to it, making an egg roll. Now, one thing that you want to do, which I did neglect to do, is you're going to seal these. Is right there on that edge.
You're just sealing them with
Just a little bit, just one little beaten egg. Okay, and those are your spring rolls. If you wish to laugh at my ability to roll, go ahead and do so in the comments. Before we deep fry them and show you on camera, we're going to make the sauce, the dipping sauce. So we're going to use a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard. Don't need a whole lot. A little bit of ketchup. Some dill relish. And then finally, just a touch of white vinegar. Just a little bit. Then you just mix it all together. All right, now we'll just set this aside and then put in our egg rolls. Yeah, when they look good and fried up, it'll be time to take them out. See, they've got a nice golden brown on them. We'll just put them over here to dry. All right, and this is what the finished product looks like. You've got your dipping sauce and you've got your beautiful egg roll here. Let's see if we can, ooh, that's hot. Let's see if we can cut that open and show you what it looks like. Just like that. You can see your meat, you can see the cheese. It's all in there. So that is how that you make these cheeseburger spring rolls or cheeseburger egg rolls. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch this next video for another great recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen.